Hello friends! In this video, we will create a simple program in Visual Studio that converts numbers to text. By adding various controls and writing the necessary code, we will easily build this program. So, stay with me. Open Visual Studio and create a new project. Customize your form. Now, go to the toolbox and add a label to your form, then follow the next steps. Go back to the toolbox, add a text box to your form, and follow the next steps. Now, add a button to your form and follow the next steps. Finally, add another label to your form and follow the next steps. Right-click on your form and select View Code, then follow the next steps. I have prepared a code to convert text to number here. I will place this code in the video description. You can copy it from there and use it in your project. Now, go back to your form, double-click on this button to create the click event for this button. Now, follow the coding steps. I hope this video was helpful to you and that you can easily use this program in your own projects. If you have any questions, be sure to ask in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next tutorials.